Hi guys, it's Denise from Luscious Labels. I just wanted to go through how to put together our little magazine box that we're offering for Black Friday. This will be a one-off deal. I have some left over from the planner market, so I thought why not share it with those that couldn't be there. So in the kit that you get from us this week, you'll get a little bobbin with some of these very heavy-duty very heavy-duty tapes on them. So you got a little bobbin of those. You'll get oh, where'd they go? There's one. You'll get two little brads, which are little tiny. There'll be different colours as compared to what I can find around. You'll need those for the project, so we'll just put those aside. You'll get decorative papers of a mixed variety of patterns to put as decorative elements on your box, and you get this little name tag holder as well. You can use your tweezers that you can get as well this Black Friday for 20% off, which we're doing. I just need these to help position the brads into the holes. And then you need a tape runner or some double-sided adhesive tape. And then you've got your template. So we'll open this up and we'll put it together. So in this pack you get two pieces. You get the sides of the box and the front of the box, because you need to put this all together. So this is what we're making. Alright. So first of all, what we need to do is put the tape down in the areas that we need. So we'll do the smaller piece first. So there's three, you can see that there's dotted lines along here, this edge and there. So we just need to put the tape on the tabs that are there. So we just line that up and grab whatever scissors you have on hand. Then if you cut on an angle, they will actually match the next tab that you need to do. So you just need to put these along here. So that's one side done. On this part, we only need the wide tape for this little section here. So, because I've cut it, the angle will match. And then we just need the thin tape to go along this edge here. So we just need to put that down and trim that. So that's all that part done. Another part that's easiest to do when it's flat is actually applying the decorative paper to these three areas and in the middle of there. So we'll do that next. So you just grab these and your double-sided tape. This is just a $2 one from Kmart, does the job. This bit is for the nameplate, so we'll put that aside for now. So I'll start with this bit, which goes in this part. There's no guides to lining it up, but I find just eyeing it up often works. So then we'll do this side. Now dry glue is your best bet for these, because then the paper won't warp. So once again, lining it up, so grabbing it and just hovering over where you want it to go so it looks kind of even, and smoothing that out. And then the same on the other side. And you don't want to put the glue right to the edge, but you want it close to the edge. So once again, hovering over the page and sticking it down. Alright, the next one, there's a little bit of a trick to it, but it's not too bad. So once again, we'll apply the glue tape, but not where the holes are. So onto all edges. And then the holes line up, so there's a short and a long side. So we just line up with those holes the best that you can. And it doesn't matter if it's 100% perfect, because it's going to be covered up for the most part. So that's about there. Okay, so the next part, the first part that's easiest to do is to fold this. So we just need to fold it around down this way, fold our tabs in without creasing this bottom bit, and then we're ready to go. So we take off the red liner, holding that one down and lining it up so that it's nice and flush, and then the same on the other side. And this one's important to get right, because that's, yeah, it's going to sit on the shelf like that. Then same with this one, fold the edges down, take off the release paper, now this one's a little bit trickier, so holding it by the long edges, if you line that up with that one, making sure you get the two edges in, and then one at a time, just make sure that this is nice and straight. Sorry, went out of frame there. And just tucking that in. Does take a little bit to get done. So that's the box all done. The next part we do is a little nameplate. So you can either leave this blank with the two pieces just over the front, so you can pop a little sticker or write your name on it, or I just like to put a matching piece of decorative paper, so there will be one of those in your little kit as well. Then getting your little brads, and we just poke that through there, and the same on the other hole, and then finding these holes here, we just poke those in like so. Then on the other side, you've got to reach down in here, and there's a split pin, so you can, it's a bit hard to see here, but down in here, and the pin's split, so you just have to fold it each way so that it folds over like that. So same with the other one. To make this easy, you could probably do it when you don't have it together. But anyway, so if you flatten that down, then you've got this cute little nameplate and a complete box. So pricing hasn't been set on these, but you will pay close attention to my VIP page and we'll have it all there. Anyway, I shall catch you later. Bye.